how to download Kodi app and LG Smart TV. Check your LG Smart TV runs WebOS version 4.0 or newer. Connect your LG Smart TV to the internet on your TV. Open the LG Content Store and the official marketplace. App Marketplace. Use the search tool to type in Kodi and look for the official Kodi app. If the Kodi app appears, select it and click install to download it directly. If Kodi is not listed or available, use a PC or laptop to sideload. On your PC, visit the official Kodi download page. Download the compatible Kodi APK for Android TV if your LG supports sideloading. On your LG TV, enable unknown sources in settings to allow sideloading apps. Transfer and install the Kodi APK file on your LG TV using a USB or network method. Alternatively, if Kodi cannot be installed directly, use Chromecast plugged into your LG TV to stream Kodi from another device with Kodi installed. Once installed, open Kodi and start streaming content legally and securely. For privacy and security, consider using a trusted VPN. Note that this method does not involve any illegal content downloads or unauthorized hacks, thereby complying fully with YouTube TOS. Subscribe.